Good morning, class 5. Today I am going to start with a new poem from your English paper 1. Today in this video I will be starting with the poem The Paper Boat. So this poem has been written by Rabindranath Tagore. At first I would like to say about Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is a world poet, you know it very well. He was the Nobel laureate also, and he has written many novels, numerous poems, short stories, and dramas also. So he wrote many poems for the children, and among this paper boat is very much important, you can say also. So this poem actually written by Rabindranath Tagore, but it's the poet Rabindranath Tagore actually he wrote it from a child's point of view. Okay, so here we can see that the child's innocence, the child's questions, how a child questions to us, how a child is having his or her emotion, that we can see through this poem. Now I'm going to explain the poem. So before starting the poem, I would like to say about the name of the poem. That means the paper boat. Paper boat. Okay. So paper boat. This name. You know this paper. What does it mean? Paper boats. Actually, these boats. These are the boats which are made by the paper. It's very fragile, and it's very. You can say that generally we are sailing these paper boats on the rivers, on the flowing rivers, on the stagnant water also. So it's just about a very what can I say, it's very trivial matter, and we can say it also that it's all about a little boy. It's thinking of a little boy. Rabindranath Tagore, though Rabindranath Tagore has written this poem, but he wrote this poem with a child's view, from a child's view. Okay, so I'm starting the poem. Please follow the class. It is in your 9 Hats book, and please in my book it is 167 page number. Day by day I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. So the poet or the little boy, he is telling that day by day, each and every day I float my paper boats one after one in the running stream. Stream means the short rivers are called streams. So the poet every day, each and every day, that means the little boy, each and every day he floats his paper boats into the running rivers. In big black letters I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. So what did the boy do? He wrote his name, his village name in the paper boat with big black letters, and after that he just float it in the water. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. So the boy is hoping that one day or the other that means the paper boat would someone would take that paper boat in a far away place. Okay, that means he was hoping that as he was writing his name, his village name, so he was hoping that one day anyone will get that paper boat, and that person will came to know about his name and his village name. Now I load my little boats with shiuli flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. I load my little boats. I load my little boats with shiuli flowers. That means I filled my little boat with shiuli flowers. What does it mean? Shiuli flowers. Shiuli flowers are the flowers which are we get it in during the puja, during the Durga Puja. Okay, it's very nice looking flowers with white and orange color, and these flowers generally fell down on the ground. Okay, so the boy was having this shuli flowers, and he took the shuli flowers. Shuli flowers are the flowers which bloom in the morning. Okay, very early morning. So he took the flowers and he put it into his paper boat. And what happened, this paper boats, that means the paper boats which he got, that paper boat, that means the shuli flowers which he got from his garden. Okay, and he filled this the boat with shuli flowers. And what happened, and then hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. So he was hoping that these blooms, that means the flowers of the morning, will be going to an unknown place. And that is why here it is in the written that land in the night. Land in the night. Night means here, that means unknown place. The flowers of the morning will go to the unknown place. Clear? That the boy was hoping, and that is why he was filling the little paper boat with shuli flowers. I launched my paper boats and to look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. What happened? I launched my paper boats. That means, launch means here, that means I set the boat sailing. Okay, I launch my paper boats and look up. After that, I just look up into the sky, and the boy is saying that he was seeing that the clouds were also filled up by the that means what can I say more, that means the sky was having the clouds. Okay, and it actually, this boy is is comparing between the clouds and the paper boats. The clouds where the what can I say, that where the things of Almighty, and here the paper boats are the important things of the little boy. That means here the boy is thinking that the Almighty was his playmate, and both of them were having the race. Okay, the Almighty had the clouds, and the clouds were filled up by the what can I say, vapor, water vapor, and it's looked like very fluffy and white color, and it goes up in the it is actually in the sky. Okay, and this clouds were sent by the Almighty, and the boy was thinking that he had also his paper boats which he was sailing into the river. Okay, and this river, that means the clouds of the Almighty and the paper boat of the boy, both they had the what can I say, that competition. Okay, they had the competition. The boy was actually thinking the Almighty was his playmate. Clear? Now, I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. So here I was telling that here the boy was telling that the playmate of mine means here Almighty. Almighty's thing was the clouds, and the boy's thing was that means the paper boat. And the boy was thinking on the in the sky the Almighty had sailed the clouds, and on the land the boy sailed his paper boat, and they had a good what can I say, good competition between each other. Actually, the boy is very innocent. He was thinking, as the Almighty sends his clouds on the sky, he was also sending his paper boat in the river. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms. I bury my face in my arms, meaning that is the time for sleeping. That's why he covered his face. The boy covered his face and dreamed that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight star. Now the boy had the dreams. The boy had the dreams and he was dreaming. In his dream, what did he dream? He was dreaming that under the midnight star his paper boat was floating. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them, and the lading is their baskets full of dreams. And the boy was dreaming. He dreamt a dream that the fairies of the sleep, okay, they were in his paper boat, and they were sailing. The fairies of the sleep, they were sailing in the paper boat, and they had lots and lots of gifts, that means baskets, which had filled up with the dreams and loves. Okay.